So during the pre-market yesterday, September 23rd, I uploaded a YouTube to YouTube and mentioned the Tesla on yesterday. For yesterday, it will increase it to this yellow trend line, and then if it have a strong momentum, it will likely to increase it to 444 on this top yellow trend line. So yesterday it opened high, exactly reach this yellow trend line, and then it put back yesterday. But today it opened on this blue support trend line and increased all the way up to this top yellow trend line, reached closed at $443 at the regular session, and then during the post market session, it exactly closed at around $444, exactly at the high as I mentioned yesterday. So it reached to this high for the top yellow trend line. So tomorrow, the tips of these trend lines are the potential high and low for tomorrow. So tomorrow, it is likely may be still open high around $448, and then it's very likely to have a pullback and drop it down to this $440 or even down to this $436 for this green trend line. And so this is relatively a good support for green and the blue trend line if it dropped in the early stage of the tomorrow. But if it's totally dropped for the final day, I mean, at the end of the day, it may not be able to increase it again. But generally, there's another probability. It may also open if it's opened above this yellow trend line, that means it have a very strong momentum. It may have another tendency to even increase to this the daily high about 451. But if it's very close to this uh, red dot, definitely it is a very strong resistance, and it will have a big pullback. And this one is also similar to this monthly chart. For the example, this monthly chart is already very close to this red dot, and if I zoom it, and it's very close. If I zoom it, it's very close. So this resistance is $451. So generally, there's a more risk when it tries to reach this very high or target resistance level or target high. And the weekly chart is also similar. Weekly chart, this dot resistance level is also around $450. So right now it's just break off this yellow trend line. So generally during this stage, it may have some kind of a fluctuation and may even pull back a little bit, and it depends on if it still have a good in uptrend momentum or increasing momentum. It may increase try to reach this red dot, but depends. So need to be cautious.